Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Se. I hope you had a fantastic day up to now, but this is a place where we relax and share creative ideas, so you are most welcome here. This is the owl now of the second phase. I'm going to bring you in a bit closer so you can see better as I turn and explain how I closed up the holes and placed in the diamantes. I hope you love this because I didn't feel like putting in the fairy lights anymore because I changed the location for where I wanted it. There we go. That's good enough. So once again, I used my cookie cutters for to make the flowers from the concrete. I rolled the concrete in a little ball, then I tap it flat with plastic underneath and push the cookie cutter in, take a knife and remove the excess of concrete. Then I flip it up and glue it into here, but first you must wet the surface that you want to add additional pieces of concrete to. The eyes and everything that was a hole are now filled with diamantes. I used a paintbrush full of water, wet it thoroughly. Then I patted my cement, turned it into little bowls and placed each and every one where I wanted it. But you have to work kind of fast. You put the cement and then you put the eye and you pat it into place, or whatever you want. Water acts as an adhesive on cement when you want to glue two pieces together. Afterwards, you can use a bonding liquid or you can use cold glue mixed with water to fill up your to seal your project. So I'm going to turn it around. I did exactly the same on the back, full of little diamonds that will now sparkle outside in the sun. And more little diamantes in the flowers. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see clearer. There you go. Right. I completed this over a period. I wanted it to look antique and rough and not perfect, so the whole thing may flow and go and look fabulous. So that is the view from behind. And that is the view from the front. If you have any questions on concrete, feel free to ask. I always use 3 measures of plaster sand and 1.5 measure cement to make my concrete. I mix it with water. according to the project I'm going to do. I mix little by little the water. Sometimes I want it to have the feel of custard. Sometimes I want it to have the feel of clay. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you find some inspiration here that will spark you into doing something wonderful for your home, your life, your friends, your family, that will make you feel awesome and make you glow. Be blessed, and thank you once again for being here. Enjoy a lovely day.